1 hour later.
Okay, so tomorrow we will give you your wristband to enter. So we're gonna be there early. And when you wear it tomorrow, wear it on your right side. Doesn't matter the color. I kind of just replaced it. You can fix it better, but this is in the middle. The Canary is on the side. Okay. I have black tights for you guys. I'm gonna give the performers and then I'll give the band members. Okay. So just perform out of your second. Anybody else want to? Unless you want to come take a look at that. Let's just take this, babe. You can like two by the side. You will be giving your little wristband tomorrow. And their entertainment, they're gonna have signs. I hope to see if they're gonna have something cool.
I hope it's nice.
Loud and proud, Tahiti on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Tahiti!
Where we at?
Cheerleaders! He's getting hot. Hold his jacket. You can put on the table. He's gonna do 4 minutes.
Okay. His shoes.
His shoes are getting wet. Hold his shoes. Put it. There's their frog in my hand. Then why are you holding his stuff?
Technically, he's not holding it because you put it on the table. I was like, she said put it on the table. No, Cleo. I know. Don't put it on the table. Where's the weather?
Cleo, whatever you do, don't change, girlie.
Sir,
Be true to yourself.
you're just like your mom.
You gotta move it back and forth, baby. There you go.
Mommy, let mommy teach you. Mommy's a professional. Here, you have to hold the fork like this.
No, she's doing.
Oh. Someone's getting a complaint.
Let me.
Like, I'm gonna go on to Rudy's website. I'm gonna go to Sarah's store. I'm gonna write her info out.
And I'm gonna like it and share it.
I'm gonna like it, share it, put it on Yelp.
And I'm gonna comment under
Sarah's
yeah.
a great manager.
Yeah. No.
No, because that's
8+ service.
You gonna party hard tonight, Cleo?
We're gonna go on.
Oh, have a safe trip.
fine.
No.
Hi. Welcome to my vlog. Hi. Welcome to my house.
You gotta give me a tour. Wait. Trav. What?
This is the bedroom.
Trav. Whose bed is what?
This is my bed. That's your bed. Okay?
Okay.
Now you come over here. This is for people that they can do whatever they want.
Show me whose bed is what.
That's
No, go. You gotta show me. Go. Show me. You gotta give me the tour. You can walk in here. Look at. He's not getting mad, so we can walk. Come on. Whose bed is this? Auntie Marlena. And whose bed is this? You gotta tell me. Theirs. Oh, and look. This is in case you can't get out of bed. Oh, I know. I thought something different, but for the sake of the video and for Cleo, I did not say that. What's in the closet? What's in the closet, Cleo?
nothing.
Nothing but
Vacuum.
I have water.
a vacuum? Did you say a vacuum?
And this is my bag.
Oh.
That's the TV. That's the picture. You want to sleep over?
Sure.
You can sleep there. With your husband.
Oh, okay, thanks. Introduce me. Introduce me.
So this is your bed and my bed. Come on. That was my turn. Bye.
Where's my turn?
Turn it off.
What?
Turn it off.
It is off. Wait, Cleo, you gotta relax. Cleo, relax. What you doing?
Relaxing. Oh. What?
I forgot the soap.
I have body wash.
I forgot the soap.
I'm trying to get a fork or a spoon. Trying to eat by myself. Got the goods. Head it back up. I don't know if I'm the only one up, but I really want to eat my food from Chili's, my leftovers, and I'm hungry. Leftovers.
The next morning.
Wait and turn. Oh yeah. I do the elevator.
Maybe say good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Zinni.
Like that.
Good morning, Sonia.
Where are we going, Clee?
Good job.
Where are we going to? Where are we going to, Rita?
We're going to eat breakfast.
Cleo, what do you have for breakfast?
There's a bomb in my food.
That's just a part of the sausage. Just put it down.
Cleo, what's your breakfast?
It's waffles and some sausage.
Okay, enjoy.
Like string. The glidey can we use obviously the water, and we make the glidey from the elements of the jungle, and then we'll see when we're gonna actually sing it.
Listen to when Uncle Turtle says Uchimu, that means one more. So that means that's your last one, and then he calls Gwelu, so you go straight into it. So listen for Uncle Turtle saying Uchimu, okay? That's your key. Okay, this is the last one. So the next round is just Gwelu's and Gwela.
Yeah, I'm assuming we're walking right up where that lady is, and then we're gonna go set up.
We are one.
Hana oya kanikono, hana oya kanikono, o papa maya kama, hali hali maya na, lai ke ala o na o kalipua, hana oya kanikono.
O kalima.
right here, Lumpia.
Seconds in my day, spending all my time loving you, all my time loving you. Every minute's running away. From when I wake up to when I lay down, all I got is you, baby, you're on my brain. Spending all my time loving you, all my time loving you. 25.
Like 30 minutes? Huh? Like 30 minutes?
30 minutes?
No, like 5.
I know, I was like, I saw you.
Hi, Clee. Are you gonna eat noodles?
The whole time? Because it didn't look familiar.
That'll be $10.
That's
Drive-throughs automatic.
Oh, yeah. So you were exiting, bro? We're like, where did Jack go? And by the time I was like, oh, let me try to get over. That beaver cut me, and I was like, ah, shit.